What comes to your mind when you hear the word power?
Ability to do something is called power. According to me, for becoming a successful person in life, you must be a powerful person.
Power is something which gives us responsibilities. It gives something strength. If I get some power, I will help the.
Power, according to me, is the ultimate capability of using any kind of which is supernatural to create or maybe destroy. That is according to a particular situation.
Power is something that drives you. Power is something that keeps you going. Power is something that makes you realize that your mistakes.
Think of the word power.
Power is something special ability or some the things only you have. Yes, but I got the power.
On your end. Power is something that pushes you to take that next step. Power is something that makes who you are.
Power to me is having influence. If you have power, you can influence others and make things happen.
The needy people. I will stop the crime.
Power is something like something change in the world.
That is what a power is called.
What you will do if you get unlimited power?
What will I do with unlimited power is I'll become limitless. I'll become unstoppable. I'll become firestone. I'll become.
If I get power, then I'll try to change this world. Like people who are in trouble, I'll try to overcome from them. And
If somebody provides you or gives you unlimited power, so what you will do with it?
First, I will impress girls, and then I will do something about society and good ways.
Which I think I can pursue.
If you have unlimited power, so what you will do with it?
I will help the needy people. I will go to stop crime. I will stand against something which is going wrong. Actually, if I am getting a superhero power, I will sleep anywhere. I will control myself. I will enjoy my life. Even something different. I can with normal people and the superhero people are something different.
Unlimited power, I will try to bring change in the world. Whatever I feel is right and what will help people, mankind, I will do that.
To do anything, not anything actually, but something which is much gives us fun. Or
If I get unlimited power, I would like to the time to work according to me, so that whenever I want, I can sleep. Whenever I want, I can eat. Whenever I want, I can dance. This is what I want to do if I get unlimited power.